You have until New Year's Eve. This horn blows at midnight.
Guess it's true, I'm not good at a one-night stand, but I still need love cause I'm just a man. These nights never seem to go to plan.
Lucas, look at me.
I don't want you to leave, will you hold my hand?
If you do this,
oh, won't you stay
I will never speak to you again.
Me, cause you're all I need. They say
you're my brother, Lucas, and I'm your sister.
But darling,
that's what you think we are?
That's what I think we are.
Bradley still loves Lucas.
Lift my heart up.
You just grab my head and stare at my face real close.
Bradley, think you might find this interesting?
We had a deal. I gave you some time to tell everybody the truth about how you feel.
Even when you're not around.
It's impossible to love two people at the same time.
Cause I'm latching onto you.